Hi! We have a new video for you. And as you see, my assistant, can you guess it? It's an unboxing. Yeah, it is. And what is it about today? It's about studying. Yeah, as you see, I intentionally place myself in front of the desk so you can see something related to studying. And what is it going to be this time? Drumroll, please. An iPad! Yay! So here we received our iPad and let's unbox it together. So before unboxing it, we'd like to give you some information why we chose this model and what is it that we chose actually. So my assistant would like to introduce it. Yeah. So we purchased an iPad 11 Pro in M5 Pro chip with 256 gigabyte of memory. And yeah, this is the reason why we purchased this. First of all, we have a monitor and we have a laptop, so there's no point to getting like a 30-inch, which is like similar to a laptop, or like purchasing like a bigger thing for studying because we have a monitor, of course. We don't need that. But as we're like studying many papers and we going through many documents, we like to have something very handy. So whenever our eyes are sore, we have something like much cozier to sit and relax and go still studying and like researching. And that is why we came up with a tablet or iPad. But the way we did the research, iPad was offering a more good contrast and good quality of like the display, so our eyes are not bothered too much. So let's see what is in reality seems to. So for pen, I didn't have much of option. I only have to like purchase the Apple Pen Pro, of course it is, and we're gonna unbox it today. But for the keyboard, I'm kind of doubting. So let me know in the comments which one do you prefer and I should get it. So there's two options currently, and one is the Logitech keyboard, which is cheaper at least compared to the Apple one. And another one is Apple Magic keyboard, and that is like a little bit more expensive. But Apple and Logitech, I would be happy if you want to sponsor me, please. Yeah. But anyway, let's see the pen for now and let's see how the iPad will work and if you like it or you much prefer the bigger version or this version or maybe you prefer iPad mini. I don't know. Let me know in the comments after we use this file. Okay, so come here to see how the Apple Pen Pro looks like and then we're going to use the iPad. So I have a comment on this box. Actually, I ordered this from Amazon. Of course, you see the logo and stuff. But the thing is, as you see, this is the box size and this is the pen. Amazon, why? Like literally why you're like sending me this huge box over this? And I ordered even smaller things and still come in a large box. So Amazon, please, like maybe you want to reconsider the box sizes for these like small little things for environment at least. I don't know. Let me know what you think. What did you receive from Amazon as well? Back to the unboxing. So here is the Pen Pro. Let's see how it looks like. So if you watch this video this far, just make sure that you like and comment for us. That helps a lot with us getting motivated to continue more on these kind of videos. And make sure to follow Gigi now and InfoSecTube. This is our first collaboration and I'm so happy about it. But let's continue to see how the iPad looks like actually. So I already went ahead and unboxed this, set up this. So first thing first is the camera. What do you think, guys? I think it's pretty solid. I'm not sure what is the specification of it, but we can of course see. And there's also a video option here as well. It seems pretty solid, especially for like scanning documents and stuff. I think they did a pretty good job. And here's like a video option you can also do. You can like do 4K videos and HD, and also you can record until the 60 FPS. And that is pretty solid. And let's put it in the test. So, I would say I would not be satisfied completely with the selfie camera, but you know, the main functionality is not the selfie, of course, but let's go back to other features. So first thing first, this is not working, of course, because it came separate. So I would go to Bluetooth to set it up. We go to Bluetooth setting. And then when we turn on the Bluetooth, we're going to attach this. So a prompt should pop up. As you see, it recognized the Apple Pencil Pro. It comes with some descriptions about it, and then like squeeze, light squeeze with access tools, switch tools with a gesture. Oh, it's this is interesting. You can double tap on your Apple Pencil Pro to easily switch to tools as you write and sketch or draw. And there's like a scribble, so you can write in any text field and your word automatically transform into typed text, which is pretty standard. And another thing is like easily capture screenshots with your Apple Pencil Pro. Oh, this is like Galaxy Note, I would say. I remember that Samsung released this feature long ago, but I'm not sure when did Apple actually brought this to the pencils. But this is very cool. I like to capture things with the pencil. So we're going to see like try scribe. You can use and do this. Try few words here. Okay, so let's say hi. Yeah, my name is pretty good and solid, I would say. Okay, perfect. Then go continue, add to my fine, add. Yep, sure. Done. Okay, so let's go to other features that we're really interested forward. So some good thing about the iPads is like you have your notes and you have like writing notes and you can like do some sketch in your notes and stuff. Like here, I would say, remind me. And you see, it would go through. This is one good thing about it. And another thing would be, of course, when you want to read articles, at least for me. So we're going to pretty standard websites, so Scholar, and we go for something random, like machine learning, of course. So open up a PDF, and as you see, this is the size of PDF you would get. It's like a hand, a little bit more. And the good thing about it is like you can hold it very firmly and you're not like using a very huge one. Like the 13-inch for me was like kind of awkward. It looks like a mini computer, of course, like mini laptop, I mean. But this one, it feels like you're grabbing really a book and you can read it. And as you see, it's like the size of a book. And in case you have like problem with reading that small, you can zoom in and you see the quality of the screen is also very good. I had an option to get the nano texture screen as well, but I found one thing about it. It feels very good if you're a person of like handwriting and like old fashioned doing like liking the feeling of writing text in your notebook and your books. But one annoying thing about that is, first of all, you have to spend a lot of money on that because it doesn't come in like lower memory spaces. Like it starts with, I think, 1 terabyte, and that adds a huge cost to your budget. And you don't need, honestly, 1 terabyte for an iPad. Another annoying thing that I found about it is that when I started writing on it and tested in the Apple Store, the scratches of the pencil would remain on the surface, which was kind of annoying. So if you're seeing something very dark, you would definitely see the remaining of that pencil sketch over your screen, and that is not a pleasant thing. So I hope Apple would develop something much better with that feeling. Of course, I would like to see something like that, but for now I wouldn't suggest nano texture if you're uncomfortable with like seeing like a little bit of like dirt and lines and stuff. um that's it. But with this normal standard OLED screen, you don't have that problem at all. And that's it for me. Of course, you have like some designing options with the iPad. That is another feature that you can use it, and it's very good because like the precision of the pen is very good on the Pencil Pro. But again, it's not the feature that I'm looking for, so I'm not kind of expert, but I can definitely take a look at it if you're interested. So let me know in the comments if you're looking for a specific feature about the iPad, and I would be happy to make a video of that and put it out for you guys. Anyway, this is this far and I'm very happy with this. I hope that I get more devices. Of course, please sponsor me, Apple. I love you. And yeah, until the next video of unboxing, goodbye. And don't forget, like and subscribe and follow us, InfoSecTube and Gigi now. Love you all. This is Gigi. Bye.